Christian politician makes history in Pakistan after election as Deputy Speaker of the Sindh Assembly.
डिप्टी स्पीकर के लिए चुनाव जारी था सिंध असेंबली के अंदर और अभी इंतखाब कर लिया गया है डिप्टी स्पीकर सिंध असेंबली का और एंथनी नवीद जिनका ताल्लुक पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी से है। एंथनी नवीद ने आज 111 वोट हासिल किए हैं और 111 वोट लेकर डिप्टी स्पीकर सिंध असेंबली एंथनी नवीद मुंतखब हो गए हैं। डिप्टी स्पीकर के इंतखाब के लिए मजमूई तौर पर 147 वोट कास्ट हुए थे। अवैस कादिर शाह जो कि स्पीकर सिंध असेंबली मुंतखब हुए थे उन्हीं के ज़ेर सदारत सिंध असेंबली का इजलास जारी था और ये चुनाव भी जारी था, वोटिंग का अमल जारी था और अभी इंतखाब कर लिया गया है डिप्टी स्पीकर सिंध असेंबली का और एंथनी नवीद जो है सिंध असेंबली के डिप्टी स्पीकर मुंतखब किए गए हैं। नौ मुंतखब डिप्टी स्पीकर का ताल्लुक पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी से है और एंथनी नवीद सिंध असेंबली के डिप्टी स्पीकर मुंतखब हो गए हैं। डिप्टी स्पीकर के इंतखाब के लिए मजमूई तौर पर 147 वोट कास्ट हुए, जबकि डिप्टी स्पीकर के ओहदे के लिए नवीद एंथनी ने इन 147 में से 111 वोट अपने नाम किए। अरकान सिंध असेंबली जो है इस वक्त मुबारकबाद का सिलसिला जारी है। एंथनी नवीद को मुबारकबाद दी जा रही है।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मैं
एंथनी नवीद
तहे दिल से हलफ उठाता हूँ कि मैं पाकिस्तान पर कामिल यकीन रखूंगा और वफादार रहूंगा कि जब मुझे सूबाई सिंध असेंबली के डिप्टी स्पीकर की हैसियत से काम करने को कहा जाएगा मैं अपना फर्ज अदा करूंगा और अपने अमूर ईमानदारी अपनी बेहतरीन सलाहियतों सच्चाई इस्लामी जमहूरिया पाकिस्तान के आइन असेंबली के कवायद व ज़वाबित के मुताबिक चलाऊंगा और हमेशा पाकिस्तान की खुद मुख्तारी सालमियत यकजहती मफाद और खुशहाली के लिए किरदार अदा करूंगा। मैं इस्लामी नजरिए का तहफ़्फ़ुज़ के लिए सख्त कोशिश करूंगा जो पाकिस्तान की क़याम की बुनियाद है कि मैं अपने ज़ाती मफाद को अपने सरकारी अमूर सरकारी फैसलों पर नज़रअंदाज नहीं होने दूंगा कि मैं इस्लामी जमहूरिया पाकिस्तान के आइन का तहफ़्फ़ुज़ करूंगा और ये कि हर हाल में मैं कानून के मुताबिक बगैर किसी खौफ या रियायत शफ़क़त या बदयानती के अवाम से इंसाफ करूंगा। अल्लाह ताला मेरी मदद और रहनुमाई फरमाए। मुबारक हो जाए। थैंक यू।
Christian politician Anthony Naveed has achieved a major political milestone after he was elected as the first Christian Deputy Speaker of the Sindh Provincial Assembly last Sunday. Naveed, who is the only Christian selected on a reserved seat for minorities in the Sindh Provincial Assembly by the Progressive Pakistan People's Party (PPP) after the February 8 general election, backed 111 votes out of 147 votes cast. His opponent, Advocate Rashid Khan of the Muttahida Qaumi Movement, clinched 36 votes. Hallelujah. The Christian, out of the 147 votes, clinched 111. And his opponent, Advocate Rashid Khan, had only 36 votes. Born in a modest Catholic family in Karachi, 53-year-old Naveed obtained an engineering diploma in garment technology for the Pakistan Swedish Institute of Technology. Throughout his career, Naveed has been actively engaged in community services, serving as vice president of the Karachi Christian Boys Association and representing the Catholic Youth Commission of Pakistan at the World Youth Day in Toronto. He has also worked with the Pakistani Christian Congress, focusing on educational initiative and career counseling for the youth in the community. Despite facing personal challenges and discrimination, Naveed has remained rooted in Karachi's Akhtar colony, where he was born, got married and raised his children. His commitment to his community identity shines through, emphasizing his dedication to representing, living among the people he serves. Now the question you might ask is this: how many Christians are there in Pakistan? Pakistan is overwhelmingly Muslim, but after Hindus, Christians are the second largest minority group, representing about 1.6% of the population. Do you understand? So when you talk about Christians, Christians are what? The second largest minority group in Pakistan. They are only 1.6% of the population. So when you get 1.6% of the population, and you get the deputy speaker of their parliament, of their assembly, receiving 111 votes out of the 107 votes, then you realize who this man is, Naveed is. Then you realize how the Christians are praying that God should influence their country. He's the deputy speaker of the assembly. I thank God for his life, because the Christians are only 1.6% of the population of Pakistan, which is highly a Muslim country. He says the southern metropolis of Karachi has a large Christian population, and there are countless Christian villages in the Punjab heartland and cities of Lahore and Faisalabad. There's also a sizable population in the deeply conservative northwestern province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and province, particularly in Peshawar city. Pre-partition Pakistan was a much more diverse place, but tolerance has declined as society has become increasingly Islamatized and more homogeneous. Before partition minorities were made up of 15% of the population. Now they fall below 4%. So because of Islamization, you know how the Muslims are. When Muslims grow and they are large, their population increase in the country, they make sure they kill the Christians, the Taliban and so on. They kill the Christians, they kill the Hindus, they kill many people. Because Pakistan the population of Muslims is very, very high. Hinduism and Christianity, they are called minority groups. Minority groups. So I'm saying for a Christian to win their assembly, it means that Christian is somebody who we need to thank God for. We thank God for the life of this man. These are some of the Christians. They are in the Catholic Church. Are they an influential group? The majority of Pakistani Christians are descended from the low caste Hindus who converted under the British Raj, in part to escape the caste system. Many provided labor in garrison towns, and every cantonment city has an area known as Lat Keti, traditionally the area where Christians reside. But Christian communities remains in the poorest sector of society, doing menial jobs. Entire villages in parts of Punjab are Christian, with inhabitants working as laborers and farmers. So the Christians in Pakistan are part of those who work in the farm years. They are so poor. But I thank God for their life. The Bible says that God will make them the head and not the tail. And I thank God for whatever is happening in Pakistan. And I know God will raise many Christians to fill political positions. Thank God for their life. Thank God for their life. Thank God for whatever God is doing. Hallelujah. May God's name be praised. May God's name be praised. They are hearing some noise. It is raining. It is raining. It is raining. It is raining all over. It's a very strong rain. The rain is so heavy. We thank God for the life of this man, Naveed. May God bless him. May God touch him. May God do everything that he needs. may his life be an example to even the Pakistanis and even the Christians. I come against any works of the devil against his life, and I declare that God will give him more wisdom. God will give him more wisdom and understanding, and will be an example to the flock. He will be somebody who God will use in Pakistan. That through him, many will come to Christ. I thank God for everything. May God bless him. May God bless him. May God bless him. Hallelujah. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Christian TV. And if you have a question, go to the comment section and ask your question. And I want to know that God will bless you. God will help you. God will take control over your life. May God's name be praised. May God's name be praised. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Go to the channel. I have various videos, and there you will be taught. You will learn more about God. May God bless you. May God touch you. Have a nice time. Bye bye.